boring start points to a boring essay. Get ready to ace the art of writing a perfect introduction. Hi, I'm Nivisha, and as you can guess, today we learn how to write the perfect introduction for your IELTS writing task 2 essay. Let's begin. A typical IELTS essay is structured like this. First comes the introduction, then body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and lastly the conclusion. Introduction is the first thing that your evaluator would read in the essay. Hence, it's important to make it count. The purpose is to introduce what you're going to write about. So keep the introduction short and crisp. It should be approximately 50 to 60 words. Do not write any details in the introduction. Save them for the more important body paragraphs. Your introduction is supposed to be short, but you should still structure it in an efficient way. Here's a thumb rule that will help create structure for your essay introduction. 3 T's: theme, task, thoughts. Step 1. Talk about the theme of the essay. What's the topic about? Just 1 or 2 lines maximum. Step 2. What's the question asking you to do? Paraphrase what the question is demanding. Step 3. Share your thoughts. For opinion essays, state what your thoughts are on the topic. Otherwise, give an outline of what you'll write in the rest of the essay. Easy and generic, right? Let's put it into action. Here's a sample question. Children who are brought up in families that do not have large amounts of money are better prepared to deal with the problems of adult life than children brought up by wealthy parents. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this opinion? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. Write at least 250 words. Now, let's write our introduction. Step 1. Talking about the theme of the essay. Children in poor families have a different childhood from the ones raised in wealthy families. Step 2. What the question asking us to do. It's argued that the children in poor families are better prepared to deal with the problems of adult life. Step 3. Sharing our thoughts. I agree that children in poor families are prematurely exposed to adult life problems. For example, surviving on a low income and sacrificing luxuries for essential items. Bring it together and that forms our introduction. It is 61 words, which is more than enough. Having a strategy like 3 T's helps you organize your thoughts better and faster. Also, it will help you refrain from using pre-devised essay templates. Do not use predefined templates. The examiners have probably seen all of them and they'll know when you're using one. So avoid them. Our experts at LeapScholar can teach you rules and tricks to ace essay writing organically without the use of templates. Try the LeapScholar free IELTS demo where you will learn from India's top IELTS educators. They will resolve your queries and help you pick the right path ahead. Most of our students score a 7+ band. Click on the link in the description to book a demo now for free. Moving on, let's discuss a few tips to ace your essay introduction. Tip number 1. Write a neutral opening statement. Do not give your opinion or reveal your thoughts in the first statement itself. Open with a neutral statement that explains what the essay is all about. Tip number 2. Ensure that your statements connect. In the example, we used 3 T's to write our introduction in 3 parts. But you need to be mindful that these 3 sentences connect well. Your introduction is 1 paragraph that will build up the story for the body paragraph. Tip number 3. Do not begin with an example. Do not start your essay with an example. The purpose of an introduction is to set the context for the essay. Use it just for that. If you still want to include an example, do it when you state your thoughts or opinions on the topic. Now let's practice writing one introduction together. Here's our question. International tourism has brought enormous benefit to many places. At the same time, there is a concern about its impact on local inhabitants and the environment. Do the disadvantages of international tourism outweigh the advantages? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. Write at least 250 words. Now, pause the video, use the 3 T's and write your introduction. Then we'll do it together. Alright, now let's write it together. You can simultaneously check your response as well. Step number 1. Theme. Tourism is a rapidly advancing industry. Millions of people travel for work and leisure every year. I'm keeping this really short because the essay is about tourism and we have stated the current scenario in one sentence. Step number 2. Task. It's argued that while international tourism benefits many places and people, it also impacts the local inhabitants and the environment negatively. Here I have paraphrased the argument presented in the question. Step number 3. Thoughts. In my opinion, the advantages of international tourism outweigh its disadvantages. Here I will only state my opinion and keep the examples and stats for the body paragraph. This makes my introduction 49 words. Does your response cut close? Tell me in the comments. Also, try our free demo sessions. You will find it really helpful to understand where your preparation stands. Our experts will teach you useful strategies and smart tips and tricks to ace the difficult questions. So, click on the link in the description and book a demo for free. That's all for today. Hope you found this session helpful. Happy learning.